Hello everybody, this is Jason Pohl with KW Platinum. I want to do the quick little video here going over the open houses that I'll be hosting this weekend. Normally I do about 2 open houses every Sunday. This Sunday, with everything that's been going on in the news, I wasn't sure if I was going to be hosting any. However, an agent contacted me and they had a listing that was about to come on the market and asked me if I would be willing to do the first open house for it. After reading into it a little bit, I decided that I absolutely would. I saw that there's a lot of things that house had to offer that I knew I'd get a lot of people wanting to come over and see it. And I just wanted to go over a couple of those details with you now. Now, first off, the open house will be this Sunday from 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. at 3303 Gratiot Avenue in Port Huron. Now, this home's at the north side of Port Huron, and it's just very few blocks away from downtown Fort Gratiot. So you get this old-style farmhouse under $150,000, but not very far from anything. The convenience factor is great with this one. It's a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. Beautiful large corner lot. Backyard's been privacy fenced in. Hardwood flooring throughout the inside here, and the master bedroom is on the main floor here, and I know a lot of people love that idea. Now, all the appliances are coming with the home, including the washer and the dryer. Home's been completely updated. In fact, you hear that a lot. This home's been updated. You'll see that a lot when you're reading descriptions of listings out there. And that usually means like 1 or 2 updates have been done. With this one, however, when they say it's been updated, they mean pretty much everything. It was one of the things that made me willing to take it on as an open house. The electrical, the plumbing, even gutters outside and the downspouts, everything's been updated. Go through some better pictures outside of it, you can see there. So again, open house this Sunday from 11:30 a.m. until 1 p.m. Now, if those times don't work for you and you would like to schedule a private showing for yourself, maybe you want to take a little bit more time to go through it, go ahead and give me a call. My number is 810-292-9138, and we can go about getting you scheduling you a private showing. So again, I'll be there from 11:30 a.m. until 1 p.m. this Sunday. It's at 3303 Gratiot Avenue, Port Huron, Michigan. Thank you very much. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.